I'm Edlin, an ESL language instructor. Today we are going to review staff requests and how to say no. Demande employé. Would you please refill the detergent in the cart? I need the vacuum cleaner to clean the lobby area. Can you bring the cart to room 302? We're running low on soap in the storage room. I need the toolbox. Could you bring the ladder to room 410? You need to fix the leak in the bathroom. Make sure to wear the safety equipment. Ki jan pou di non avek respect. Li important tou pou apren ki jan pou di non avek respect ak kler, le nou pa kapab ede. Parfois, mette limite nesesè pou nou ka organize tan nou ak priorite nou. Men kek fason poli pou nou di non en anglais. I'm busy right now. I have too much to do. I can't help at the moment. I need to finish something else. I'm not available right now. I can't help you. I have other things to do. Let me finish something first. To see more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.